This machine, it don't even belong to us. We gave the neighbours a pile of muck to put on their spring barley from over the other side. They took all the muck, put it on their spring barley, which is now 18 inches tall, and then they tracked back across this field with the machine. But it only got that far and it broke down. And that was about 2 months ago. And it's still sat there in our field. We've had electric fence around it because we wanted to use the field. So there you go. And goats, loads of goats. Goats are not mine, they're son and daughter-in-laws, the goats are. A multi-generation farm, and the goat business is theirs. I really would appreciate if you'd give us a follow or a like or a subscribe or whatever it is I need. And these are our store cattle. Well, some of our store cattle. They're looking quite good, aren't they? We've got some store cattle out, but they're the ones that we turned out are bigger than these. These are a bit too small to go out, I think.